Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make two text box same size in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet. Now I'll make this text box and this text box same size. First I'll increase this text box wide and see this. Now I'll adjust height and double click on this text box and press enter and bigger your text box size and see this. Now two text boxes are same size. Yeah, this is. In this way we can make this text box same size. And double click on this text box and press enter and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.